You want the first bite? Look, y'all.
Oh, I have to fix my hair.
You gotta swing his locks.
So how do I eat it?
You bite it, I'm taking the next bite. This is fresh okra. We've never had it. I got the next bite. This is the chestnut chocolate cherry. So he's gonna try that. I'm gonna try that. You don't want any more of this, right? Okay. Oh. The inside is good. The outside is tough as nails. My son had to go spit it out. Y'all heard him? He doesn't like it. I like it because I've had okra before.
What about this thing? What is this?
Tomato. Yeah, my son doesn't like tomatoes, but he's had a few from the garden. This is good.
Not bad.
What's up, y'all? It's GT Junior Grows in Alaska. So I just wanted to make this insert for the video that you just finished watching. Today is June the 4th. I had another okra pod this morning. It was a younger, fresher. It was a younger pod. It still was fresh like the other one as far as grabbing it off the inside tree. And I gotta tell you, y'all, that was not that good. At first it was cool, but then it got, I know folks say it tastes slimy. It tastes like mucus. I mean, it felt like mucus. Like when you catch a cold or whatever, you got that cold phlegm in your mouth or whatever. So, it definitely was not enjoyable. And as y'all see right now, it is very sunny out right now. It's beautiful. And the good thing about it is I only have to work one job. So I get off, do my little 8 hours real quick. Got to take my son to do the rest of his house, and then the rest of the day mine. So I'm very thankful. So I get to go out there and do a lot of stuff, and this is what I've been waiting for. This is my opportunity. All right, y'all. It's beautiful. It's 57 degrees, so it's still kind of chilly. But all right, y'all. Trust the process. I'm out.